Hello! Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to find the square of 83 without calculator. This math problem can be solved in two ways. The first solution is by using the formula for binomial square. A plus b in parentheses squared equals to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. To use this formula, I need to write down the number 83 as a sum of two numbers. The numbers need to be such that the square of each is found easily. For example, I can write 83 as a sum of the numbers 80 plus 3. Then I can apply the formula. The number 80 corresponds to the a in the formula, and 3 corresponds to the b in the formula. Therefore, this equals to 80 squared plus 2 times 80 times 3 plus 3 squared. Then what we need to do is simplify further. 80 squared is 6400 plus 2 times 80 times 3 is 480 plus 9. We then just need to add the three numbers the way they're written here in a row, or we can add them also in a column. 6400, 480, and 9. This equals to 9. 0 plus 8 is 8. 4 and 4 is 8, and 6. Therefore, 83 squared equals to 6,889. Now, the square of 83 can be found also by simply multiplying the number by itself. Let's multiply 83 by 83. So it's 3 times 3 first, and 3 times 8, then 8 times 3, and 8 times 8. Okay, so this is 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 8, 24. 8 times 3, again 24, and then we have 8 times 8, 64 plus 2, 66. And then we just need to add them again, each number, and we get the same answer as solution 1, 6,889. I am thrilled that you joined me and look forward to reading your comments. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you like what you see. Thank you so much for watching and learning.